Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Airbnb payment isn't going through, your card is being declined, or you're seeing an error at checkout, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Airbnb payment issues quickly and step by step. First, check your payment method. Open the Airbnb app, tap your profile icon, then go to Account, Payments and Payouts. Make sure your card is valid, not expired, and your billing details match exactly. Next, try a different payment option. If one card isn't working, switch to another like a debit card, credit card, or PayPal if available. After that, check for bank restrictions. Sometimes banks block international or high-value payments. Open your banking app and approve the transaction or contact your bank. If you're still facing issues, clear app cache or switch devices. On Android, clear cache or try booking from a different device like a laptop. Finally, contact Airbnb support. Go to airbnb.com/help, search payment issue, and tap Contact Us. That's it. One of these steps should fix your issue fast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.